Today we have a new student joining us. Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone.
Hi, pretty one.
My name is Irama and I'm excited to be here.
Please, can we speak louder? Hello, please. With all due respect, can you project for us?
I'm sorry. I said my name is Irama and I'm so excited to be here.
Okay, Rama, as a new student, you have to do our tradition, which is to sing
For us.
Yes.
And
Yes.
dance. And twerk.
So,
Okay. How sweet the name of Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Never leave us here. It's to his sorrow to the gloom and just somewhere his fear.
oh wow. Okay. You can have a seat. Let's find you a seat. Stand up. Don't mind. Can she take your seat?
Sure, no problem.
I prefer hers. I want to say Awurajay.
Really?
Do you mind finding another seat?
Okay. Okay.
Please, there's empty space here.
Will you shut up?
Thank you.
A stranger who close outside doors.
Okay, class.
Madam, the girl, she has turned into a stranger who close outside doors. Oh, what problem to you?
Alright, class. It's time for weekly test. Anyone scoring below 50 will face the consequence. Except a Rama who just joined us. Bring out your pens and begin.
Don't worry now.
No cheating. Concentrate. No cheating. You write what?
My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey.
Whether I regain my memories or not, there's one thing I know for sure. Both of you. You guys are my best friends. I'm stuck with you, literally.
That's so great. I'm happy we're a team now. Oh, yeah, what's next? But guys, what's up this weekend? I really have nothing. What do you think? There's a movie playing downtown. I think it'd be nice for us to go watch it.
That's a good idea.
So are you
Count
coming?
me in.
That's nice.
Sophie, are you coming?
Guys, I just remembered I need to be somewhere.
Noun?
Yeah. You guys can take the lead to class. I'll catch up with you later.
Genvi, is everything alright with you?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll be okay.
Yeah, take care.
Sure. No worries at all.
Hans, we are alone now. As I told you, I think about you all the time. I can't eat. Hans, I love you. I want us to date. Yeah.
Madam Juliet, this is not the first time I'm hearing love, love, love. I appreciate that, but the problem is I can't pretend same love. I can't reciprocate. That is the issue. You know, I'm already in a relationship with Tessie. And I love her too.
Hans, what about me? What I feel for you? Hans, I love you.
Madam Juliet, you are my tutor, you are my madam. Should students and authorities find out, what are they going to say about us? That Hans is dating Madam Judith? He just making it seem like a movie I watched a few weeks ago. A student dating his madam. The way people were teasing and I can't take it, please.
Hans, have you thought of the feeling that I'm feeling for you? There's this sensational feeling that I have in me. Just understand me, please.
Madam, I'm sorry. Can I go back to class?
It's okay. I'll just give you a space to think about this. Please.
All right.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go.
Hey, JP, what's going on?
I know you three have my car. And this person trying to kill her. She disguises herself. A lady. Covering her face.
How do you know about our powers?
Silence speaks for you. I know it must be one of you plotting against him. Stay away from him.
Now, what makes you think we want to kill him? Did he just accuse us of trying to kill Stana?
This is bad. This is bad. Enchil knows too much.
You guys, let's confront him. You can't go around making accusations.
We need to sort this out now.
We have to.
That fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night.
What? Hey, bro. Bro, ain't. What? Ain't. Ain't. You're not serious? Okay. So, did you guys catch that game last night?
Oh yeah. It was intense.
Yeah. This was intense, bro. Did you see the last minute goal? Classic.
Very classic, of course.
Classic.
Jaden, you and your friends told Jenfi about her magical powers, didn't you?
What? Madam, you didn't tell Jenfi anything.
Oh, don't play dumb with us. Jenfi confronted us earlier, saying he knows about our magical powers and that someone is trying to kill Stanley.
Of course. We don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh. Then someone must have spilled the beans then. Now listen to me, Jaden. Stay away from us and our business. Got it?
Whatever. I didn't say anything about that, okay?
Yes. Don't worry, we'll leave.
Bro, can you believe that? Accusing us like that.
Yeah, bro. What's their deal?
I don't know, but I think something is wrong somewhere. So we need to watch our back. Yeah. Anyway, what happened to your shoe?
Bro, my shoe fell down, bro.
You fell down from where?
From Tamale.
From Tamale?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's serious.
What?
Oh, you remove it.
In the realms of heaven,
Gosh.
a love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame.
The smile on my face says it all.
Can see.
I met her.
Who?
Madam Judith, of course.
Oh.
Yeah. Something good.
Really?
Listen.
As I told you, I think about you all the time. I can't eat. Because I love you. I want us to date.
Goodness.
Madam Juliet, this is not the first time I'm hearing love. I appreciate that, but the problem is I can't pretend same love. I can't reciprocate. That is the issue. You know, I'm already in a relationship with Tessie. And I love her too.
Hans, what about me? What I feel for you? Hans, I love you.
Madam Juliet, you are my tutor, you are my madam. So
Finally, we have something against.
So,
oh my goodness. So, with this, she cannot deny it.
No.
She can't.
We have proof. So how can she deny? I'll take your book.
So, guys, since what are we doing?
How about you guys come over to my place? We can cook dinner together and then hang out. It will be fun.
We can do what?
Cook dinner.
Can you cook? I'm sorry, we don't have our NHS card.
Oh,
Do you
come
have
on. I don't think so. I can manage a few things, you know. And I've got some secret family recipes to try out.
I mean, it sounds convincing, you know. Come in. I'm always up for good food and good company, bro.
It would be nice having fun with you guys, so let's just do it.
Let's go. Perfect. So after dinner, then we can chill, watch some movies, play some games, do whatever we like, you know.
Bro, I like it. See, I can't wait already. I'm in.
Sounds fun. Let's do it.
You in?
I'm in.
All right then. So Saturday evening on my end.
Yes,
See,
sir.
I'm already there.
I'm gonna be there too.
Yeah. That's cool though. How? Make sure you prepare plenty because we eat everything.
I know you.
Everything.
I know you.
Yeah.
Do it.
Huh?
We're cooking together.
Who else? You?
Oh god, I won't risk my life.
Come on. What do you think I'm that bad?
Say who if I eat everything. Not bad. I know you.
Peace all is one.
She usually comes back right now.
What do you think she's in town having some adventures?
Maybe. Or maybe she just needed a day off. I'm sure she'll be back soon.
I think she's coming.
Put it in your hand, baby.
I am, you don't time. I know. Auntie, is everything okay?
I'm just tired. In fact, I'm very exhausted.
Yeah. We just go back from training. But we are really hungry.
There's no way I can get into the kitchen to cook today. I'm so cooked. But no worries. Let me get you some money so that I can step out to find something to eat.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
Why did you refuse to do your punishment? You know the rules.
Yes, there are rules for students and there are rules for teachers. So I have my reason. Listen to this.
As I told you, I think I want you all the time. I can't eat.
What is this? What is this? How come you have this?
So this is the audio of you proposing to him. And if you don't take care, I'm going to forward this audio to every single student in this school. So stay away from hands and eye before you lose your career as a teacher.
But you know what? I am sorry. I understand. I will just back off. Just have me for yourself. I'm no more interested. But please, can you delete it? Please.
Delete?
Yes.
I'll take her.
I need you just having to yourself.
That fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, and just love, surrendered me like a flame.
How could you do this to me? I thought it's between the two of us. Hans! Where was I even going?